Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a recipe of tomato and onion chutney. Into a cooker I am going to add some onion, some tomatoes, green chili and some cloves of garlic. To that I am adding some water, half a teaspoon of salt, some curry leaves, and then I'm closing the lid and cooking it for at least one whistle on medium flame. Once the whistle is released, we will let onion and tomato to cool down completely. Into a mixing jar, we will grind all the tomato, onion, chili, curry leaves into a very fine, smooth paste. You can add some freshly grated coconut also to it, but today I have not taken it. It increases the taste of the chutney. That's it, guys. Look at it. It is such a smooth batter, right? But it's a chutney. For tempering, I've heated some oil. To that, I'm adding some mustard seeds, some urad dal, some chana dal. To that, I'm adding some curry leaves. That's it, guys. Our onion and tomato chutney is ready to serve. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, friends. Bye bye.